And so this is on the nature of volume. In the nature of volume, which is a simultaneous nature, in relationship to the value of its nature. And there's a nature, and there's a value that is greater than it. We are value nature inside values nature. But its complete value and its complete nature is a complete nature, a complete identity of nature, of relationship to its to it while as itself, while us. As the contribution, as like to the positive or to the negative experience in the relationship to the identity of ourselves. The identity, the hierarchy of identity self was obfuscated since same ancient times, right through each modern nation now stayed roles. And so with branches as roles, already victim predators, intersciences, already from off campuses, space maintained, databases, criminality before even the internet, in our outer space, with lethal ideas, where our value nature system is as negative value nature pushed away, because it will not be the progression of the volume that is also positive unto and as itself, our volume. For a value relationship, not through these value nature systems, and where value nature systems are forced to discern this. Each moment we are negative value nature progression, lethal ideas, each modern nation. It is from state scenarios in collusion, which was these through fake sites. Not just for reasons hid. Honestly, because all honesty are victim predators. So having blamed it on other things, and on others, and on ourselves. And so not seeing the points where the false sustained tortures completely factory in nature, fake care, torture, hurt, on whole areas, on the whole volume of humanity. And so they play this color because he says, at least I am not that one. And each one is in this. It's why equality of fact treatment, each one must lie to themselves to say that the Constitution of the United States or of any nation, especially of any modern republic, to claim that it is not criminally foreign influence.